who have succeeded. So this is why you cannot keep the pace with your old friends, because your old friends have old mentality. If you change to a new mentality, you cannot go anymore with that. And one of the example is that I love my place from where I was birthed. I love, even today, I love these old friends of mine. But there is something which you will understand only when you succeed, my friend. I was meeting many old friends, not all, but many, and soon they have seen me, they was asking me money. Could you borrow me? Could you borrow me? Could you give me this money? So they was only trying to cheat me. And what I'm saying, trying to cheat me, now a person who never done $2,000-3,000 per month, it will focus himself. Listen carefully with what I'm telling you, because it's very true. So a person who is poor, seeing that you have succeeded, in his mentality, he think, how can he cheat you about $100-200? You realize? So they don't think of you, they think, how could they cheat you about $100-200? Now you see, when you become rich and you change your mentality and become a successful person, you realize the people who can make you harm and the people who can make you succeed much better. So in the end, to understand you better, if you have money, the money will wake up in you. The money will making you understand, man, these guys is not for you, and these friends is not for you. The money is teaching you how to treat people. So how to treat people? Well, you need to understand the people who thinking you that you are a stupid is the first people who doesn't have nothing. So they, by having nothing, if they can scam you or cheat you about $100, they are very satisfied. Even if for you $100 it's a meal in a restaurant. You got the point. So here is a problem. Now, the problem with all friends or with all poor negative people is not that you are not affected, because from time to time you think, well, if I wish if I could help my old friends, because if they will understand the successful mentality, maybe they can be helped. But they don't understand what you have understood. So they will making you feeling much bad, because in the moment, and I'm telling you, once you have money and success, you know when somebody is cheating you or not. In the moment somebody tries to cheating you, you feel bad, because you realize that his psychology is that he's believing you that you are a stupid guy. So he think that you are very, very stupid, instead of thinking that you are very, very intelligent, because money makes you intelligent, period. So the problem is, in that moment when you see that somebody from your old entourage trying to cheating you, excuse me, I have a problem, could you give me 100 euros? I will give you tomorrow back. Now when you hear this stupidity, you realize that if you give to him 100 euros or $100, you will never see the money tomorrow. That's one. The second one, you will know that he will gonna laughing about you, because in the moment somebody wants to cheating you and you realize that he wants to cheating you, is not only the $100 that is making you affecting you, but it's affecting you, that it's offending you, because he tries to cheating you and you have understand that he's trying to cheating you. So in the moment you realize that somebody is trying to cheating you, you realize that he believes that you are a stupid. Even if you have money, you are a stupid. Now here is when the old entourage goes down. You got a point. This is where he goes down, because your old entourage is seeking how to cheat you about $100, not how to helping you to be much richer than with $100. You got a point. So the old guys will find a way to lying you, to trying to cheating you, because they are poor, but they believe that you are a stupid because you have money, and you can be cheated by them because they are much intelligent than you. You got a point. And this kind of stupidity there is all over the world. Even if you are in Eastern Europe, even if you are in United States, even if you are in Africa, everybody think to the same level. Anyone, all the people, we are the same philosophy, each one by categories. You got a point. So that's the problem with your old entourage. Now the last time when I was talking with an old friend entourage, he was asking me for $10 to charge him his SIM card, the phone number. I will give you tomorrow the money. Of course that tomorrow he never gave me the money. After 3 days he was calling me again, can we go to drink a coffee? I say yes, why not? The second time when we was meeting, again he was asking me money, and when he's asking me the second time money, I told him, well, you need to give me $10 back, because I was giving you told me that you gave me a few days ago, and you still doesn't tell nothing about the $10 which I charging you the SIM card. You told me that you were gonna give me the money back after 1 day. So when you when you talk with this kind of strange people, you will realize that they can't believe that you are so intelligent, because in their mind they think they are intelligent, not you. So in the moment when you say, well, you told me that you were gonna give me the money back, $10, when they realize that you asked, that you remember that they cheated you about $10, they will try a different way in which they making you more stupid. You got a point. So they will again and again and again trying to asking you money, because in their mind you are an idiot and they are Albert Einstein intelligence. So here is the problem when you left and you let go the old entourage, because when you see that they are not promising you the money, they don't give it, they don't respect their words, they don't giving you the money back, they asking you more money each time. When they see you, they are asking you more money. It's not only that it's talking about $100, $200, $300, but it's the feeling you have when you realize that this idiot, he believes that you are an idiot. You got a point. So in that moment you say, go fuck yourself, don't call me anymore, because you are too much for me. I can't take it. I was trying to be polite with you. I know you for 20 years. I know you are my friend, and now what you need to do is only to cheat me and to believe that I am so stupid, in which I cannot understand that you try to cheat me for $100. Do you think about if you go with to a business of $100,000, $200,000, he can poisoning you on $100. If his objective in his life it is to stealing you, to cheating you about $100, do you realize if you go to a business with him of $200,000, $300,000, if he's having the possibility to kill you, they will killing you for $100, $100,000. Why? Because they have a poor mentality, my friends. And if you don't change your entourage, you will not change yourself. You will not succeed. You can't succeed. because they will trigger you back. You got a point. Now this is a very concerning problem. Now this is a very concerning problem, and you need to follow that, because this is not a joke. You need to be very careful with your whole entourage. This is not a joke, my friend. You got a point. This is not a joke. So why should I risk myself and feeling bad being around with this kind of people? Guess what? There are so many online trainings. There are so many people who keep speaking in some big cities, and you can apply to these trainings. You can go pay 100, 200, 300 euros or dollars, and you can go to a meeting with CEOs, with intelligent people, with financial freedom people, so you can make new friends. If you go to these seminars and these trainings, you will gonna be around with 200, 300 people who are trying like you to succeed, and who they left behind the old habits and the old friends, and they want to change themselves.